Alright, today we're going to hit some mobility issues that I have with my clients and a lot of group training clients. A big problem is a lot of knee pain. Knee pain in squatting, knee pain in lunging, knee pain in running. A lot of people do not have the full range of motion when it comes to squats and lunges because they have mobility issues. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take time and show you some things that you might have issues with if you have knee problems. Again, it's all about the full range of motion that we need to hit in our exercises to get a good workout. So we need to actually make sure that our muscles are loose enough and capable of reaching the full range of motion. An easy fix for this: you can grab a metal bar. It could be a 15-pound training bar, 30-pound training bar, or a regular 45-pound training bar. We're going to take a seat. Let's say it's your right knee is bothering you, left leg straight, right leg bent. We're literally going to roll the bar up and down the leg. We're kind of searching for tender spots. Let's say I have a tender spot here. I'm going to focus on this area. You're literally massaging the area out. You're taking that knot, you're smoothing it out so it continues to actually, again, think about your muscles as a knot. If it knots up, you're going to lose range of motion. If you were to tie your shoelaces in a knot, what happens? You lose the lengthening. So if you have knots in your muscles, you're losing the length of your muscle. Not due to it being inflexible, just due because you've knotted it up. So we're going to work out those knots. This is the first step. If you do not feel tender spots here, that's great. You can move into a more, not complicated, but a deeper massage. So what we're going to do is we're going to straighten our legs. This is going to allow you to get deeper in the muscle. We're going to roll, again, find the spot that's tightened. Roll it out, hit it. You want to hit it for a good minute or two at least. You need to relax that muscle before you stretch it. Do not stretch your muscle if you have knots in it. Think of it. If you tie a string in a knot, you tighten it, what happens to the knot? It gets tighter. You will not tear the knot, but the muscles around it will become overstretched, and that will lead to injury. So we loosen the knot first. After we loosen the knot, then we can go into a stretch. This is one of my favorite stretches that I have clients do, especially if they have knee issues. You're going to squeeze the glute, locking the hip into a good position. From there, you're going to push your hip out. You should feel a stretch right here in your quadricep, maybe a little bit in your hip flexor. As you lean back, you'll get a deeper stretch. Don't just hold this for 10 to 30 seconds. You guys really need to get in here and change something. To really change the muscle and to get to go back to some more range of motion, you should hold it for at least a minute to 2 minutes. Take your time. You don't have to do this every day, but do it 2 or 3 times a week. If you have pain, it needs to be fixed. Again, we squeeze the glutes, lock the hip goes out, chest up, lean back into the stretch and hold. Again, that is for some knee issues that I have with my clients and a lot of other people. If you have knee issues, definitely try this out, see if it helps out, see if you feel release. In fact, after you do it, do a couple squats and see how your knees feel. That's it for today.